In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an email account in A2 Hosting. If you want a professional email address that matches your domain, this process is very straightforward, and I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along without any confusion. To begin, sign in to your A2 Hosting customer portal. Once you're logged in, look for the option that takes you to cPanel and open it. cPanel is where you manage many of your website and hosting features, including email, domains, files, and more. For this tutorial, we'll be focusing specifically on the email tools. After you arrive in cPanel, scroll until you find the email section. Inside that section, click on email accounts. This area allows you to view existing mailboxes on your hosting account and create new ones for your domain. If you already have email accounts set up, you'll see them listed here. If not, you'll be starting fresh. Next, look to the right side of the page and click the Create button. This opens the email account creation form. On this screen, you'll be asked to choose the domain you want to use. If your hosting account includes more than one domain, make sure you select the correct one from the list before continuing. Once your domain is selected, enter the username you want for the email address. This is the part that appears before the @ symbol. For example, you might use something simple and professional like info, support, or contact, depending on the purpose of the inbox. Choose a name that makes sense for how the email will be used, especially if it will be visible to customers or website visitors. After that, set a strong password for the account. A strong password is important because email accounts can contain sensitive messages and are often targeted by spam or unauthorized login attempts. Try to use a secure combination of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters, and make sure it's something you can store safely in a password manager if needed. Once everything looks correct, click Create. Your new email account will then be generated and ready to use. After creation, you can return to the email accounts page anytime to manage the mailbox, check settings, or connect it to a webmail interface or email app later on. And that's it. You've successfully created an email account in A2 Hosting.